In this video, let's learn some of the basics of working with Jupyter Notebook. So guys, I'm in the same screen in which I was present before. Okay? A basic. Yes, a basic, yet a very important thing to know while writing a program. That is, knowing how to change the program name and how to save a program. Since we have just created our first program, if you look at the file name at the top of the screen, it has named as Untitled. So, to change the name, what we have to do is, we just have to click on the Untitled here. And you will get a pop-up window requesting for the new notebook name. Here, you can rename your notebook as per your requirement. So what I'll do is, I'll just rename the notebook as First Program DLAI and press the Enter key. That's it. The program name has been changed. Next is saving the program in Jupyter Notebook. To save, just click on the Save button here. Yes, it is as simple as that. Okay? Now, if you click on the file which is present on the toolbar, you can see the list of options. From here, you can create a new notebook and also you can create another copy of your existing notebook, as well as you can download as different formats and you can do many more things. But guys, all these are self-explanatory and you should be able to use it as per your requirement. Okay? Now, what I'll do is, I'll now click on the program line here. And all these individual spaces where we are writing our program are called as cells. And when I'm writing the code inside the cell, you can see a little green box around it. Can you observe it? Yes, this green box says that we are inside the cell in edit mode. Now, I'll just press the escape button on my keyboard. And as you can see, the green box has been changed to blue box. And this blue box is known as command mode. So what is this command mode? Command mode means whatever the key we enter on our keyboard, it will be bound to notebook level actions. Yes, it will be bound to notebook level actions. Okay? Yes. Now we have learned that there are two modes. That is edit mode and command mode. Yes, the next thing we need to know is how to execute the code in Jupyter Notebook. Of course, we make use of this run button which is present on the top of this screen to run the code cell. Apart from this button, we can also use the shortcut. Yes, we can also use the shortcut to execute. That is Shift plus return key. So what this is doing is, the system is executing the current cell and then moving to next cell. So when you press the Shift plus return key, the system executes the current cell and then move to the next cell. Got it? Then there is one more shortcut to execute the code in Jupyter Notebook, that is Ctrl plus return key. What this will do is, the system will run the current cell, but the focus would stay in the same cell like this. So to illustrate the same, what I'll do is, and press the Ctrl plus return key. Yes, can you observe that the system executed the current code cell, but the focus stayed on the current cell only. Got it? Now, there is one more keyboard shortcut in execution, that is Alt plus Enter. What is it? Alt plus Enter. If we use this shortcut, then the system will run the cell and create a new cell below it, just like this. So, these were the shortcuts to run a cell in Jupyter Notebook. Now, being in command mode, by pressing A in keyboard, what you can observe? That is, a new cell is inserted above the current cell. Now what I'll do is, I'll just press the B in keyboard. What happened? A new cell is inserted below the current highlighted cell. And also we can copy a cell by pressing C. And we can paste it by pressing B. I can illustrate that, just check here. So what I have done is, I have copied the previous cell using the shortcut C and pasted the same using the shortcut V. Got it? Great. Now, whenever we are writing a code in a cell, we have to make sure that it is selected as code which is on top of the screen. See, observe here, this is the one. Okay? Now, in case we want to add Markdown in our Jupyter notebook, then we can convert a code cell to Markdown cell by placing the cursor on the cell and selecting the Markdown on top of the screen like this. So guys, this has converted the cell to Markdown cell like this. Clear with the things? Yes. So with this, we come to the end of this video on tips and tricks of Jupyter Notebook. In the next video, let's understand how to work with Google Colab.